The support provided by the German and Swiss governments to the water sector in southeastern Europe has been focused on strengthening the capacities of local governments and public water supply communal companies, as well as of their national associations. The activities carried out over the past 3 years have resulted in a higher quality of services and more satisfied users. Benchmarking as an initiative in the region, despite being a relatively new tool, has been well received by the water supply communal companies. Macedonia, Serbia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Kosovo and Albania are the countries in the southeastern European region which are implementing the project, Regional Benchmarking Initiative for the Water Supply and Sanitation Sector, with financial support from the German Ministry for Economic Development and Cooperation and the Swiss government via the Open Regional Fund, Modernization of Municipal Services. Representatives from the region have held workshops in Belgrade, Serbia on the 18th and 19th November 2015. Benchmarking means comparing the performance among the communal utilities for strictly defined parameters.
Затоа е многу важно да се дефинираат тие параметри однапред и да сите ги внесат податоците за своето комунално предпријатие на истиот начин како и другите, за да би можеле да се споредуваат. Од кога тоа ќе се направи, ќе биде возможно да се направи таа компарација на услугите, на капацитетот на одредено комунално предпријатие во споредба со некое такво во регионот или во Европа.
Ono što je cilj benchmarkinga je da uputi preduzeća jedne na druge, to je kao prvi korak unapređenja učinka samih preduzeća, da razmenjuju dobre i najbolje prakse među sobom, kako bi na kraju jedan cilj je da se obezbedi što bolja usluga stanovništvu.
At the same time, one should take into account similarities of the social and economic circumstances that underpin the operation of the utilities, which implies that benchmarking has to be seen as a part of a strategic management system that encompasses the business planning in the utilities.
Ова е фаза во која што предпријатијата треба да учат, значи како да ги идентификуваат податоците што ги имаат кај нив, на кој начин да ги собираат, како да ги верификуваат дека се тоа баш тие податоци кои што се предмет на обсервација, односно на употреба за одреден индикатор да се пресмета и како да ги анализираат, односно да излекуваат одлуки од овој сегмент.
To put it simply, benchmarking enables the utilities to understand the situation in their environments, identify their weaknesses and propose measures to address them. The support of the local government, which is the owner for the utility and has its members on the managing board, has a great role in the practical implementation.
Соодветно на наодите кои што ќе произлезат од тој бенчмаркинг систем, да се градат одредени регионални политики за подобрување на состојбите во секторот на водоснабдување и одведување и третман на отпадни води во регионот, а оттаму преку националните асоциации на општини, се до општините за поефикасна испорака на услугите на локално ниво.
IAWD, the partner organization that implements the project in the Danube region and cooperates closely with the World Bank and GIZ, is satisfied with the accomplishments thus far.
The associations are the mechanism by which the utilities are really properly supported, and IAWD as a regional water utility association will work to help them in that work. And we're very, very pleased at how the developments have happened, the network of associations that exists, and we will continue to build on that in the second phase of the activities from this year, from this point till the end of 2018, and hopefully long onto the future.
Some of the countries from the Danube region have a long tradition in working with benchmarking. The intention is to develop a joint platform which shall contain all data on utilities and will be accessible and adequate for implementation in other countries in the region.
One of the initiatives that is happening at the moment is the creation of a regional platform called Danubis, danubis.org. This is a platform where we're trying to make all of the information that is being collected by these national partners available so that utility companies, but also policymakers, regulators can actually access it and use it for benchmarking for their own needs.
Since there is a range of outstanding communal problems, the resolution of which shall take a longer period of time, the utilities are also relying on donor funds.
Svaki donatorski novac je dobar novac. Ima kako on bio mali ili veliki, on se mora iskoristiti na najbolji način. Tako da je naš zadatak da pripremimo najbolje projekte koji će doneti najbolje rezultate i da taj novac realizujemo na najbolji način.
The workshops also stressed the need for mutual regional cooperation.
Glavna poruka za komunalna preduzeća je da se što više uključe u ovaj program saradnje zemalja Dunavskog regiona i da zajednički mogu mnogo više da urade i da će uraditi sigurno i da razmenom iskustava ovih zemalja da će dostići jedan viši status i viši nivo.
Benchmarking is necessary so as to be in alignment with the EU standards, but it is also a major eligibility requirement for applying for funding for resolution of infrastructural problems, since it provides insight into the credibility of the utility.